Hello and welcome to the video. I'm Jimmy the Mower and today we're going to be testing a 12 volt starter motor. Well, let me tell you how this video came about. We've got an old diesel generator sitting in a workshop. It's been in here for a couple of years or so, and we've had to use a starter rope on it because the starter motor has not been working. We've had a couple of dodgy days of weather, and we thought, you know what, we'll get the starter motor out and we'll test it. Anyway, we stripped it all down. We got the starter motor out and it was completely scrap. It was rusted. It was just not working, not moving. There's nothing to it. So we ordered a brand new one, and here it is. So what I want to do is just show you, if you have got an older starter motor and you would like to test it, if your machine's not starting, we'll show you how to do it. Now what you need is a 12 volt battery, some jump leads we've got here. We've got heavy duty jump leads because there's a lot of power running through in one of these, and we've got this here little strap to use that to activate the exciter wire, as it's called, and some glasses because hopefully the sparks won't burn through my clothes, but you want to protect your eyes. Now let's just quickly run through it. On there, on the top, that's where your exciter wire goes. That's a low voltage, thin wire normally. When you plug it in, there'll be a spade end on there and it'll clip on. And that just activates the electromagnet and pulls it backwards and lets it know that it's there. And this pole here, that allows in the main voltage or current or ampage, whatever you're working, and it comes straight into there. And that pushes this little drive cog out and spins round on there, starts the flywheel, and that's what starts your engine. You let go of the key and this drops back and everything comes to a stop. That's how it works. Now, we need to get this wired up, touch it together and see if it actually goes. Right then, let's get everything connected up. We'll do the earths first. Like I say, you can use shorter leads than this. We're just using these because this is what we got to hand. So we'll put the earth on first. And these are small poles on this battery. This is actually the battery from the generator. So I'm going to see if I can get this somewhere around so you can see it. I don't know if that'll work. Which way can we get it on? You see it like that. You can see that there. Right, I'll put this on the case underneath. So there's only positive run to it. The positive runs to the exciter wire on there and to the main pole on the back. Right, that's all. The earth lead, that's connected to the chassis, that completes the circuit. However, we haven't got a chassis. I've got a table here on on rubber feet. I've got a wooden top, rubber feet and a bitumen floor, so we're not going to get any earth there, so we're going to try and create the loop round itself. I think that's the way to go. And then we'll use this wire here to jump between the two poles, and we'll see how it works. In fact, I could just turn it round like that so you can see what I'm doing first, and then we'll turn it round and you can see the gear jumping if we get it to move. Now, I've spun this out a little bit here, and that's basically because if we try and get a contact on the end, it's a bit too difficult. If we put this out to there, we should be able to get a contact on it, he says, confidently. Oh. So there we go. Whether that will hold or not when this whole thing jumps, I don't know. But we'll connect this side up. And that's onto the positive side. So there you go. We've got everything there as it should do. Move this round. We should have a current flowing through there. And we should be able to touch this onto there. I'll put my glasses on. I'm a bit close to that battery for my liking, but you know, we'll give it a blast. Right. See what happens. There we go. You saw it spark, start up and spin. That's how it works. Power to that one constantly. When you press the ignition, it turns and it fires up this one. Now then, we'll turn this round so you can see the gear jumping in and out. I might get a couple of seconds to set this one up properly. Oh, that's gone better than I expected. Let's see if we can reach this. Right, I'm going to do the same again. So when I touch this, this is when we've got the key inside the the ignition. Oh, a lot of sparks in. That's it. And then when we got the key in and the ignition is live, forces this cog out, spins round on the end, hits your flywheel, spins it, starts the engine, and away you go. So we'll just do that again. Concentrate down here, make sure you can see it. There you go, and some fireworks as well. So that's it, that's exactly how it works. You put the ignition on, it fires the wheel out, turns around and starts it. Now, hopefully, your starter motor will do this. If it doesn't, then obviously it's faulty and something else, and it needs looking at. However, if it does fire up, then there's something else in the ignition system that needs looking at. So just remember then, all you have to do is connect to there with your live feed. Connect to there with your live feed, put a secondary connection to that, bang, and the motor starts up, and Bob's your uncle. There you go. Hope you found that informative, maybe even enjoyable, who knows. Best of luck fixing whatever you've got to fix. Anything nice to say, pop it in the comments section below. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, you know, anywhere you like, even jimmythemower.com on my website there. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm Jimmy the Mower. I'll catch you on the next one.